The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 5 Best Drill Press for 80 Lower. Number 5. Buildhard Drill Press for 80 Lower. It is one of the smallest drill presses for 80 lower. Despite the Buildhard 8-inch drill press size, it's mighty. You can swing it up to 8 inches and travel its spindle to 2 inches. You use the drill press's 1/2-inch key to tighten its chuck. You will love this machine's 1/3 horsepower induction motor. It may be a mini but drills powerfully on different materials like plastics, metal, and wood. The speed varies in 5 levels to suit various materials and projects. You cannot compare this tool with a handheld drill. Its job is more precise and more convenient than the handheld drills. The entire frame's construction is compact, thanks to the cast iron used in its making. It is the reason this drill press for 80 lower lasts long and produces accurate drilling. You can do your angled drilling with ease, as this drill press's work table can tilt 45 degrees on either the right or left side. Because of the pre-drilled holes on the equipment's base, it is easy to mount it on a bench or other working surface. You can also mount this drill press on vices and clamps using its slotted table that allows effective work holding. For a better user experience, this drill press's packaging consists of useful accessories such as a set of 13 pieces drill bits that range from 1/16 inches to 1/4 inches and 2 1/2 inch jaws that open approximately 2 1/10 inches. Investing in this machine guarantees value for your money, thanks to the company's 90-day warranty. You also don't have to dig deeper into your pockets to own this drill press. Small in size but very powerful. Operates in 5 different speed levels. It has a sturdy construction. It comes with useful accessories. Affordable. 90-day warranty. Secures firmly on a work stand. Cons. It may make noise and wobble while in operation due to its lightweight. Coming in number 4. Jet J2500. Are you looking for an 80% lower drill press with great precision? The Jet J2500, 15 inches drill press got designed for you. It delivers the exact depth and spacing. This tool is ideal for you whether you are a commercial gunmaker or finish 80 lower receivers for personal use. Thanks to its enhanced flexibility. It is the drill press for 80 lower to consider when looking for enhanced flexibility and durability. Every part of this drill press features top-notch engineering. With a 3/4 horsepower, this machine features more incredible spindle speeds than other drill presses of this class. The machine's head casting contains a permanent and well-lubricated spindle assembly with a ball bearing. You will also find an enclosed quill consisting of 4 sturdy ball bearings responsible for extending the drill press's life. If you have no clue about operating this drill press for 80 lower, you need not worry. The tool comes with a manufacturer's manual explaining how to operate and maintain it. When correctly assembled, this machine works safely, quickly, and more efficiently. Thanks to the manufacturer's 2-year warranty, you can operate your drill press with confidence. If you live in the USA, you can visit any of Jet's 750 authorized dealers located across the country for help. Qualified local technicians from any of the manufacturer's service centers will help you troubleshoot, repair the drill press, or order parts for you. Pros made with high-quality materials. Produces precise holes and lasts for many years. You can adjust the speed. It is ideal to use for both personal and commercial purposes. It comes with a user manual for easier use. The manufacturer offers a 2-year warranty, guaranteeing value for your money. Cons. Some users may not understand the manufacturer's instructions manual, making it hard to assemble and use. Coming in number 3. 4214. Last but not least on our best drill press for 80 lower reviews is the popular and innovative WORX 4214 12-inch variable speed drill press. This unit loiters on a lot of lists too, and as the second model from this brand, that should a testament to this manufacturer's quality. When it comes to drilling presses, being able to operate at variable speeds is a must, and most especially if you work on a lot of 80 lower. This unit has got 5 different speeds that you can take advantage of. It's got a 4.3 amps powerful induction motor to ensure efficient drilling. Its robust frame comes with a cast iron-made table, base, and head. It also comes with ball bearings to ensure that the drill press lasts for a very long time, and it is low maintenance to boot. It weighs 57 pounds, probably one of the rather more powerful units on our list and still very much affordable. It is the best fit for DIY projects and even medium-sized drilling projects, so your investment should be well worth it. Pros: great value for money. Popular brand and good ratings online. Versatile and reliable operation. Easy to use. Ergonomic design. Cons: it's got some parts that may break down faster than the core components. Coming in number 2. Proxin 37110. And, we're not done reviewing reliable drill presses just yet. This time we bring you the Proxin 37110 Micromil MF70. This unit may be an underdog, but we guarantee you that it's top-notch. It only weighs about 19 pounds, making it one of the most lightweight machines on our list. Easy to move around and store, you won't have problems with it at all. But, don't take it lightly, as it's perfect for daily tedious tasks too, and most especially with working on your 80 lower. It's got a vertical column, then a compound table made out of high-quality aluminum, and you can still expect great results even if you work at higher speeds, making it an efficient machine. You'll have quick turnarounds in between drills because of that. It's got a solid base too, made out of cast iron, and not only it is very stable, you'll soon find out that it will give you control over your drilling activities like no other. Precision is the name of the game for this machine, that's for sure. Pros: very compact and lightweight design. Perfect for home and hobby shops. Easy to utilize and ergonomic. Durable build. Hastens your work effectively. Cons: some would say that it's a bit overpriced. Coming in number 1. 4208. The WEN 42008 8 inches 5-speed drill press is another top-notch drill press, best for your lower 80 projects and a constant unit found in most reviews as of writing. Why not, right? Like the Buildhard unit, it's also got a compact design, so it won't take up much space, and storage won't be a problem too. It's got a 1/2-inch key storage on board with a keyed chuck. It operates at 5 varying speed levels at 740, 1100, 1530, 2100, 3140 RPM. It's got a 1/3 horsepower motor too that produces much needed torque for your projects. Drilling should also be accurate with a spindle that may be adjusted up to 2 inches and a locking depth stop. You may use it to drill on all sorts of materials and, of course, work on your lower 80. It's got a strong frame with a cast iron head and stable base and table. You should not have any issues drilling holes at all with this unit. Pros: very convenient to utilize. Versatility guaranteed. Good value for money. Compact design. Stable and durable build. Cons: table is not as adjustable as desired.